Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. Kindly save this number for future purpose also. This question number 6 is to prepare any one object for project out of the following 500 words. So the right to education is a fundamental human right that ensures very individual regardless of gender, ethnicity, socioeconomic, and has the opportunity to receive quality education recognized globally. This right empowers people, promotes equality, forces social economic development, providing us access to knowledge and skills essential for personal growth. Write a case history of a girl child or a boy of your locality who was denied the right to education. We are providing all the answers in the PDF form. We have prepared all the answer of not this subject of other subject also. If you need this, contact us today so that we can provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video with the new topic. Thank you so much.